Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a T-intersection road mills plate that is scaled for LEGO vehicles for today's LEGO Brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 32 by 32 stud base plate. In the top left, I'm going to set down a 2x4 plate. Let's skip 5 studs, set down another 2x4 plate, skip another 5 studs, place this one right here. And a 1x2x2 corner plate in that area. Now let's proceed on in the middle with 4 more 2x4 plates. Now these are going to be spaced 3 studs apart, so just going to set these down. These are going to be our under supports for our asphalt. Now in this area right here, we're going to set down a 2x6 plate. Now I want to skip several studs, I believe that's 6, set down a 2x4 plate, a 2x6 plate right here, and a 2x4 plate in this area, followed by 3 more 2x4 plates, one right here in the left center, and these two, where they're in the center of these 2x6 plates. Now on the right hand side, I'm going to take several 2x6 plates. I'm going to place this one where it's 2 studs away from the corner plate. Skip 2 studs, set another one. Skip 4 studs, set another 2x6 plate. You can see that there's a pattern here. Skip 4 studs, another one, and 2 studs, place this one here. And finally, we're going to place a 2x4 plate and a 1x2x2 corner plate to finish up the base. Now for our asphalt, let's start with a 16 by 16 stud road base plate. We're going to set this one right in the center. Now you're going to have to muscle this down pretty firm to get this to lock into all the studs and tubes. And 3 8 by 16 by 2/3 road plates with crosswalk print. Now regular ones will also work as well if you do not want the crosswalk. But since this is all I have, we're just going to use these. And set these on these sides. This side here is going to be left for our sidewalk. Now on the right hand side, I'm going to set down 4 1x8 plates. This is going to add the base for our gutter we'll be adding and expand the road out by 1 stud. Let's place 3 2x4 flat tiles with a center line where the crosswalks are, and several 1x8 flat tiles. Now if you're joining these with other mills plates, you can put 2x4s in here, but for this demonstration I'm just going to place several 1x4 flat tiles in these areas, and 10 2x4 flat tiles in these remaining areas. Now on the right hand side, I'm going to set down a 1x8 flat tile where it's in the center of this plate, and several 1x6 flat tiles. These are going to serve as the base of our gutter right next to the curb. Let's build up these 2 corners, starting with a set of 2x8 plates. We'll place these right here, and a set of 2x6 plates where they are perpendicular. Now, right next to the road, we're going to place the base of our gutters with a set of 1x8 flat tiles and 2 2x4 flat tiles. In these 2 areas, a set of 1x4 plates, followed by a pair of 1x2 flat tiles. And then we're going to proceed on with a pair of 1x4 flat tiles and 2 1x4 plates. Take a set of 2x2 bricks. We're going to place these right in these areas, followed by 2 2x4 bricks, build up the base. And 4 1x4 Technic bricks. These are going to be used to interlock this Mills plate with other Mills plates. We'll place these in the upper and lower left-hand corners, and to fill in these two corners here, a pair of 2x2 bricks. In the top right, take a 1x2x2 corner brick. We're going to set that right there. We're going to start building up the curb, followed by a pair of 2x4 bricks. Place a set of 2x6 bricks right here, and we're going to continue on with these two with a set of 2x4 bricks and a 1x2x2 corner brick to wrap up this corner. Now take a Technic brick, let's set a 1x4 plate on the top. We're going to make 2 of these. We're going to place these right inside the mouths of the 1x2x2 corner bricks. Top right, a 2x2 brick followed by a 1x4 Technic brick and several 2x4 bricks. We're going to continue on down here, put a 1x4 Technic brick and a 2x2 brick. Then we're going to set down 8 2x4 plates on the right hand side. Now in this area right along the edge, I'm going to set down 4 1x8 flat tiles. This is going to be the top portion of our curb. Now these are set like this, so if you choose, you can change these colors out to have different colored curbs for different types of zones. Then for the sidewalk, we're going to place a 1x6 flat tile, followed by a 6x6 flat tile. Press those down firm, and a 1x6 flat tile. We're going to continue this pattern 3 more times. Let's focus our attention onto these two corners. Let's take a 4x4 quarter round plate. I'm going to take one of these quarter round 1x1 flat tiles. Let's place this in the corner. Then I'm going to take a 2x2 tile, place it there, a 3x3 quarter round, and a 4x4. Makes a nice smooth corner. We're going to need to make 2 of these. We're going to set these right in these areas. Now in this area here, we're going to set down a 1x3 plate. Then I'm going to go perpendicular. I'm going to place a set of 2x3 plates. Now in this area here on the left, I'm going to place down 3 2x3 plates to level this off, and we're going to do the same thing down here. Now let's finish up the curb. We're going to set down a pair of 1x3 flat tiles in this area and 2 2x2 flat tiles right there. And we're going to proceed on with a pair of 1x2 flat tiles and another 2x2 flat tile. Now if you choose, you can leave these out and stick plates in here if you'd like to put accessories on the side of your road. And we're going to wrap around this corner here with a set of 1x4 flat tiles and a 1x2x2 corner tile to fill in this area. Let's mirror this on the bottom left. And there is our T intersection. It is pretty strong and rigid, and you can easily change out the curb to change to any color you desire. So if you want, you can make this a loading zone or a fire zone, and it is really nice and strong, and this will work with my other road Mills plates.